reflect on how far we've come and look ahead to what's next. To our respected guest of honor, Dr. Amelia M. Baidal, to our distinguished school administrator, Tita Becky, to our esteemed assistant school administrators, Tita Angel and Tito Arnab, to our lovely titas, to our proud parents, guardians, friends, and to my fellow graduates and completers, a pleasant morning to each and every one of you. First and foremost, I want to thank Jehovah God for granting me this opportunity to deliver my words of gratitude here in front of all of you. I wouldn't be here if not for Him. This journey was far from easy, but it was the unwavering support of those around me that carried me through. To my family, especially to my mommy Judea and to my daddy Jerry, who have been my cheerleaders and my mentors in life, I want to express my deepest gratitude to all of you. The unwavering love and support that you have given me has pushed me forward to become the better version of myself. You have offered me strength and courage when times are hard. I, as a student, will never stop myself to make you all proud. I also wanted to express my gratitude to my Tita Lala. Thank you, Tita, for always being there for me. I appreciate the love and support that you have given me all throughout my years of learning. I am forever grateful. And to my Papa Reggie, although he's no longer here with us, his wisdom and unwavering belief in me continue to shape me of who I am today. This graduation stands much a testament of his influence as it does to my own efforts. His memory remains a guiding light in my life, and I carry it with me always. To our incredible titas, Tita Jen, Tita Jazz, Tita May, Tita Nikki, Tita Ivy, Tita Jet, Tita Nars, Tita Ann, and Tita Weng, thank you for your dedication, patience, and passion. You did not just teach us lessons. You taught us how to think critically, how to solve problems, and how to persevere in the faces of challenges. Your belief in us, even when we doubted ourselves, has been a driving force behind our success. You've instilled in us a sense of curiosity and a love for learning that will stay with us for the rest of our lives. I also want to express my heartfelt thanks to my very first teacher here in ABCLC, Tita Weng. I learned so much from you during my nursery to kinder years. While I may not remember every detail from those early days, what has always stayed with me was your dedication and the love you poured into teaching us. You have supported and guided us from the very beginning, and your passion for teaching continues to inspire. This message may be short, but it comes from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Tita Weng, for everything. I want to also give my special thanks to our class advisor, Tita Jen. Tita, we will miss you so much. We will miss how the class turns into story time with all the stories you tell us. We're learning and having fun. There's not a week that goes by that we do not get scolded by you. And I understand that we're not the best, but I'm sure I'll miss those times with you. Those times when we used to plan on surprising you on every event that happens, like on your special day when Rap acted like Lechon and surprised you, on Teacher's Day when we surprised you with cake and a video with the titas and the class saying Happy Teacher's Day, and many more. We love to plan those surprises for you because we get to see you smile. I'm so happy yet sad. Happy because you are our advisor and that we've shared so much together. Yet sad because we have to let go after everything that we've had with each other. Once again, Tita, thank you so much. And on behalf of the grade 6 class, we love you and will surely miss you. And to my fellow graduates, I'm so proud of all of you. We've finally made it. I've been with most of you since nursery, and I can't believe we're graduating and ending elementary together. Over the years, we've laughed, cried, learned, and grown together, and I feel so fortunate to have been part of this journey. I remember those times when we used to laugh whenever it was vacant, when we used to get scolded almost every week, the silly jokes we tell each other, the little arguments we've had, misunderstandings, the way we exchange perspectives and opinions regarding some things, those times when we used to cram on projects, laughing even though the titas are already mad. We'll also miss the group projects, although it was tiring. Everything. I cannot deny the fact you all have made my journey filled with a roller coaster of emotions. And soon, I'll be looking back at those moments, smiling, and realizing that that feeling will never happen again. I'm very thankful that I was able to spend my elementary years with you guys. You all have earned a special place in my heart. It hurts to say goodbye, but I hope that this goodbye will just be a see you later. Even though we weren't the best, we were all happy with each other. We may have struggled a lot in class, but we still managed to get through the hardships together. I'm not ready to bid my goodbye, but I hope we all have the future we've always have had talked about having. Although my elementary years ended, I'm happy to have ended it with all of you. And to our beloved school administrator, Tita Becky, Assistant School Administrator, Tita Angel, and Administrative Assistant for Non-Academic Affairs, Tito Arnel, and to all school's dedicated staff members, I am grateful for your support and guidance. Your commitment to making this school a place where we feel safe, valued, and challenged is truly appreciated. Whether it's through academic support, extracurricular activities, or ensuring that everyone has a voice, you make a difference every day. As we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, we carry with us the lessons and experiences we've gained here. ABCLC has not just prepared us academically, but has also shaped us into individuals who are ready to face the future with confidence and resilience. ABCLC has opened doors for students and gifted them opportunities to show their potentials. So, I thank ABCLC for shaping me into the person I am today. Once again, thank you to everyone who has helped me get to this point. To my fellow graduates and completers, I can't wait to see all the amazing things we'll achieve. Here's to the future and here's to us. Once an ABCnian, always an ABCnian. Congratulations, class of 2024 to 2025.